Hello, ESL 21 students. Welcome to our Blackboard site. This is the place where you're going to find everything you need for this course. It's very important, and it's also important that you understand how to get around. So I'm going to give you a little tour of the site to help you out. As you notice, we've opened to the welcome page. At the top, you see this part that says before you get started. Okay, this is very important because it's going to help you to check and see that your computer is ready to take the course. You can check to make sure that you have all the minimum requirements. So please take some time with that. The next thing on the welcome page is a video welcome from me. I think you may have already seen this, but if you haven't, please be sure to watch the video so you can hear my welcome to the class. Now, if you notice over here on the left is our menu, and there's lots of things in the menu to look at. The first one is to notice that welcome is where we are. We're already on the welcome page. So the next one is called Blackboard Tutorials. If I click on this, it's going to take me to a new page. Okay, on this page, there are many different tutorials that you can look at to help you understand how to use Blackboard. So if you need to submit an assignment to me and you're not exactly sure what to do, you can click here where it says submit an assignment, and you will get some teaching about how to submit an assignment. So this page is going to be a great resource for you through the semester. If we go back to the menu and go to the third page, you're going to see, or it says announcements. Okay, announcements is this page. Right now, you don't see anything in it, but later I will post this video and other very important information. You should check this every day in case I've sent something important for you. The fourth thing in our menu is the syllabus. Okay, if I click on syllabus, it opens to this page, and there are many folders in here. These are very important things. You're going to find about the objectives for the course, okay, what you need to know before you take it, and what you can learn in the course. There's going to be information in this folder about the books. And let me open that one for a moment. You can see that here it says textbooks and materials. If I open this, it tells you exactly what you need to get. Notice there are two things. First of all, Grammar and Context 2. That's the name of our textbook, and you can buy it at the bookstore. Down below here, you can see how to buy it. Okay, here it says purchasing textbooks and course materials. All right, but let's go back for a moment to where it says textbook and materials. You see that there's a number 2 here. Number 2 says Grammar and Context 2, Online Workbook Access Code. This is important. You need to buy the code. Some of the books have the code in it, but you need to make sure that you're getting both. If you buy a used book that does not have the code, then you'll have to contact the bookstore or the publisher to buy the code as well, because we will be using the online workbook and you need a separate way to get to that. Okay, let's go back to the menu again and look at faculty information. Okay, all right, there's a picture of me, and this is some information about me. You see, for example, that my email address is here, okay? That's the main way to reach me, okay? Secondly, you see my phone number, okay? This is an office phone I have. You can leave a message for me, and then I will call you back. Also, I have noticed here that I've listed that I will have an online meeting room. Since our class is online and we all are available at different times, we will have the opportunity to meet each other online. I will post availability each week, and you can also make an appointment to meet me online. Okay, and then as you scroll down, you're going to see that there's policies here, and there is my education and my background, so you can learn more about me there. Okay, next thing is assignments. Assignments is really important. This is where you need to be going all the time, at least every day, probably every chance you can. At the top, the critical dates are listed. These are very important. You need to pay attention. And then week by week, you will see a folder, and it'll tell us the unit number and how many weeks. So for example, this is unit 1, which will take us week 1 and week 2 of the course to do. The theme is animals and generations. The grammar that we will cover is the simple present and present continuous and future tenses. Now, how do you open this? Well, you just click right here, okay, on Unit 1, and it opens, and inside you will see the objectives for the week and the topic, and then you'll see another folder here for week 1. When you open week 1, you'll see all of the things in here that you need to do, and you can read those carefully and follow the directions. Now, let me go back and notice that in red are the dates of when you should work on that folder. Notice that week 1 says, complete the assignments in this folder the week of May 16th through 21st. Okay, you should do that first. Don't start week 2 until you've done week 1. Week 2 are assignments that should be done between May 22nd and 28th. So this is how you navigate assignments. Next is the discussion board, and this will be a place for you to post information that we'll share with the class, and we'll talk more about that a little bit later. Journals, similar kind of thing where you will type in journal entries. Groups we'll talk about later on. That's in Unit 2. And then we have student support. These are resources for you, any help you need with the class. There's different websites listed and what they can help you with and who you can contact if you need to. Tools you may not need, but you can look there. These are various tools that are available through Blackboard. Here's an important one in the menu, My Grades. This is where you'll click to check how you're doing. You can check this as often as you like. When you submit assignments and they're graded, then a grade will come up in here. Okay, and you can keep track of your total as we go through the semester. Exams. Okay, this is very important. There are 3 exams in this class: a pre-course exam, a midterm exam, and a final exam. You have to go to a testing center on campus in order to take these exams. So you'll need a pass. You'll open this exams and passes, and here you can download the pass that you will have to take with you. And here, where it says taking exams, it gives you lots of information. But essentially, you're going to go to the testing center on campus. Okay, that's our tour of Blackboard. I hope it helps you.